Unit 7. Much, many, little, few, a lot, plenty. A. We use much and little with uncountable nouns. Much time, much luck, little energy, little money. We use many and few with plural nouns. Many friends, many people, few cars, few countries. We use a lot of, lots of, plenty of with both uncountable and plural nouns. A lot of luck, a lot of friends, lots of time, lots of people, plenty of money, plenty of ideas. Plenty, more than enough. There's no need to hurry, we have got plenty of time. B. Much is unusual in positive sentences, especially in spoken English. Compare. We didn't spend much money, but we spent a lot of money, not we spent much money. Do you see David much? But I see David a lot, not I see David much. We use many and a lot of in all kinds of sentences. Many people drive too fast. A lot of people drive too fast. Do you know many people? Do you know a lot of people? There aren't many tourists here. There aren't a lot of tourists here. Note that we say many years, many weeks, many days, not a lot of. We have lived here for many years, not a lot of years. C. Little, not much, few, not many. Gary is very busy with his job. He has little time for other things, not much time, less time than he would like. Vicky doesn't like living in London. She has few friends there, not many, not as many as she would like. You can say very little and very few. Gary has very little time for other things. Vicky has very few friends in London. D. A little, some, a small amount. Let's go and have coffee. We have a little time before the train leaves. A little time, some time, enough time to have coffee. Do you speak English a little, so we can talk a bit? A few, some, a small number. I enjoy my life here. I have a few friends and we meet quite often. A few friends, not many, but enough to have a good time. When was the last time you saw Claire? A few days ago, some days ago. Compare little and a little, few and a few. He spoke little English, so it was difficult to communicate with him. He spoke a little English, so we were able to communicate with him. She is lucky. She has few problems, not many problems. Things are not going so well for her. She has a few problems, some problems. You can say only a little and only a few. Hurry, we only have a little time, not only little time. The village was very small. There were only a few houses, not only few houses. Utility 7. Exercises. 87.1. In some of these sentences, much is incorrect or unnatural, change much to many or a lot of, where necessary. Write OK if the sentence is correct. We didn't spend much money, okay. Sue drinks much tea, a lot of tea. Joe always puts much salt on his food. We'll have to hurry, we don't have much time. It costs much to repair the car. Did it cost much to repair the car? I don't know much people in this town. Might travel much. There wasn't much traffic in this morning. You need much money to travel around the world. 87.2. Complete sentences using plenty of plus the following. Hotels, money, room, time to learn to see. There's no need to hurry. There's plenty of time. He doesn't have any financial problems. He has. Come and sit with us. She knows a lot, but she still has. It is an interesting town to visit there. I'm sure we'll find somewhere to stay. 87.3. Putting much, many, little, few. One word only. She isn't very popular. She has few friends. Anne is very busy these days. She has free time. Did you take pictures when you were on holiday? I'm not very busy today. I don't have to do. This is a very modern city. There are old buildings. The weather has been very dry recently. We have had rain. Do you know Rome? No, I haven't been there for a year. 87.4. Putting a few, a little, where necessary. Write OK if the sentence is already complete. She's lucky she has few problems, okay. Things are not going so well for her. She has few problems. Can you lend me a few dollars? There was little traffic, so the journey didn't take very long. I can't give you a decision yet. I need a little time to think. It was a surprise that he won the match. Few people expected him to win. I don't know much Spanish, only few words. I wonder how Sam is. I haven't seen him for a few months. 87.5. Putting little, a little, few, a few. Gary is very busy with his job. He has little time for other things. Listen carefully. I'm going to give you advice. Do you mind if I ask you questions? It is not a very interesting place to visit, so tourists come here. I don't think Annie would be a good teacher. She has patience. Would you like milk in your coffee? Yes. This is a very boring place to leave guests to do. Have you ever been to Paris? Yes, I have been there times.